Welcome to KEX, Construction Engineering. Today, we are going to do ground beam construction and why we use it in building foundation. Before we start construction, let's get some explanation of ground beam. In civil engineering, ground beam is a reinforced concrete beam constructed at or below ground level that connects columns or walls to provide support and maintain alignment. It is used to distribute loads evenly, reduce differential settlement, and tie structural elements together, especially in cases where the soil has low bearing capacity or when walls and columns are spaced apart. Let's move to site. Note, this foundation depth is 1.2 meters to the natural ground level (NGL). The earth surrounding the foundation was removed so that everything will be seen clearly. Pouring of 50 mm lean concrete blinding. Placing of 50 mm concrete cover. Placing of base reinforcement. Y12 at 200 mm center-to-center spacing. Fixing of starter column reinforcement. I upload construction video every week on this channel, so stay tuned to KEX Construction Engineering for more construction videos. Go ahead to ask questions. I will always reply. Thanks. Fixing of ground beam reinforcement. Inspection of the reinforcement work. Shuttering. Inspection of formwork before pouring of concrete. Check through and ensure that the dimension of the beam and column base have been constructed and formed correctly as designed. Pouring of grade 20 concrete. Ensure proper vibration. Casting of ground beams and bases completed. Ensure proper curing. Formwork removal. Inspection of work done so far. I upload construction video every week on this channel, so stay tuned to Kex Construction Engineering for more construction videos. Go ahead to ask questions. I will always reply. Thanks. Laying of foundation wall on the ground beams. Formwork for starter column. Pouring of starter column. Formwork removal. Ready for backfilling. Filling with stable aggregate, sharp sand. Fill it to the brim and compact properly. As you compact, it settles, fill in more and compact again. Placing of damp-proof membrane DPM. Add about 50 to 75 mm sand bed before filling with hardcore. This prevents hardcore from damaging the DPM. Filling with hardcore. Placing of 50 mm concrete cover. Fixing a BRC mesh to reinforce the floor slab. Getting ready for casting of the ground floor slab. Pouring of 150 mm ground floor slab. Ensure proper curing. Work completed. I upload construction video every week on this channel, so stay tuned to Kex Construction Engineering for more construction videos. Go ahead to ask questions. I will always reply. Thanks.